Hi everyone, welcome to Sociology Circle. Have you ever wondered why life in a village feels so different from life in a city? The answer lies in two famous sociological concepts, that is Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. So in just 60 seconds, let's understand how Tonis explained the difference between these two. Also, he used the concept of community and society to explain the difference between Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. He denotes Gemeinschaft to community, whereas Gesellschaft to society. So to understand difference between Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft, we must know the difference or the distinction between community and society. Community is usually smaller, which is localized groups bound by shared interest. That is, community is concrete. It's concrete. Whereas society is abstract. In community, there is a shared interest as well as it features personal relationship and mutual supports between the community. Whereas society, it's completely abstract network of millions of people governed by formal institutions such as laws. Also, it has diverse cultural systems that encompasses multiple communities. So, community is a kind of society in miniature. Okay, society in miniature. Whereas society is a broader term. So he used these two concepts to explain Gemini shaft and Gesell shaft. So when you get a feature representing community, you should go with Gemini shaft, whereas a feature representing society, you should go with Gesell shaft. Also, you can add on in Gemini shaft there is homogeneity, whereas in Gesell shaft there is heterogeneity. Gemini shaft, it's about community, so they focuses on the traditional aspects of the society, whereas Gesellschaft is usually the formal aspects.